So hi everyone. So today's our lecture it would be about future trading. In the last lecture we just talked about the spot trading. How we can buy and sell. Buy lower and sell higher. So for the future trading just we need to go to the this perpetual BTC perpetual, and then we can just start. We can learn how we can buy and sell. So like we have talked about market order, limit order, so they are same here too. What is market order? That if you want to sell at the current market price, like for example, if the current market price it is 17,810, if you just select here market, and then here just you put 15 USDT, and then if you just buy, then it would your trade it would start. Like you can just look here, so if I just put here, and then it starts trading. So you can say the my position, it's it has started. So like for future trade, we have two things, long and short. What is long? You buy at the lower price, and you sell at the higher price, so you get profit. And what is short? Like selling. If you say sell, then you just, so it is okay, just I can show you, but I can just tell you what is short. Here it is sell, but we call it short too. We buy at the current market price, like it is 70,799. Then if it goes down, then you get profit. If it goes up, then you get loss. You will lose your money. So like long, it is buying at the current market price, and if it goes up, then you get profit. And if for the short, if it goes down, you get profit, and if it goes up, you get loss. So this is the thing, you can trade on the both sides. So this is like we use uh we can trade in both directions. So this is the benefit of this is a benefit for future trading. So we can just close this order, and then I can just show you how we can uh, how we can trade, for how we can short it. Like for 15, it is I will put here sell, and my trade it will start. And then I can just close it at the market price, like this. Just like this. So it is the way, how you can long and you can short. In the both directions you can trade. So like I can just tell you, this is market and this is limit order. The limit order, I have already told you that if you don't want to buy it, at the, or if you don't want to open the position, we say position, like we can if you don't want to trade at the current market price, then you just put at which price you want to open your trade. So this is called limit order. And then after that, it is just stop market. It is just like stop loss. If you open long trade, then you have to put stop loss in the other direction, in the sell direction. Like you want you so this is important, to use it. And just like trailing stop also, it's same. If you open trade in the long direction, you have to put here trailing stop, in this direction. So in this place you have to put it. So just like this, you can trade in the futures. So future market, it is risky. Like you have to always try not to use high leverage. Not to use leverage. It's better not to use leverage. This is better. For the beginner, I will never recommend that you use leverage. They give up to 20x leverage. But for the, like, when you will be able to, when you will become professional, then it's no problem. you will be able to, you can also trade, by using the leverage. So this is the, way how you can trade, in the futures. So thank you very much. And so if you want to learn one to one, it is also possible. You can contact me personally. You will be able to find my contact details in the description. And after learning, if you want to work with me together, then we can work together for 2 weeks. I will give you signals. Okay, you can open trade here, you can close here. And then after 2 weeks, if you will be satisfied, with the results, then we can, go further together. So this is, possible. And but it is very important that we should have always a realistic approach. This is not a quick rich scheme. Trading, it's not quick rich scheme. You have to, it is like proper business. You have to work, uh, like, it is possible that you can make too much money too. But this is, if you trade uh, y- with a specific amount, you can make it 1.5x, or 1.3x, if you trade regularly. You can just, expect this much amount. And this is also very important. If you are not losing in this market, then you are successful. Because 95% people who are trading, who trade, who don't know to how to trade, or who are beginners, they lose money in this market. So we should have always really realistic approach, and then we should continue. So thank you all. And so we meet in the next lecture.